So let's look at another example here. So caffeine in Monster Energy drinks. So caffeine content was measured in 8 randomly chosen cans. The results are here. Researchers are interested in determining whether the median, so it's going to be a non-parametric test, median caffeine content exceeds 250 milligrams. So we first need H0 and HA. We're going to perform a sign test, they tell us, to test that hypothesis. So what we're trying to establish is that that caffeine content median exceeds 250. So that would be eta greater than 250. And then if that's not the case, then our median is equal to 50. So there's our null and alternative. Our test statistic S is going to be the number of data values that are greater than 250. So we just count here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values that are greater than 250. And then our p-value is going to be the probability that the random variable, the number of values that are greater than 250, is greater than or equal 6. And then we are using binomial probability here, so we want to write that in terms of a less than equal, so 1 minus probability x less than equal 5. So if you're not 6 or bigger, you're 5 or smaller. So this will be 1 minus binom CDF. And then our total number of measurements, 2, 4, 6, 8. So n is 8. P is 0.5 always. And then x is 5. So let's compute that. So actually I'm going to go ahead and bring up second enter, and I'll just come back and edit this. So we want an 8 for n. P is still 0.5, and x we want 5 now. 0.1445. And that is greater than 0.05. We are not given alpha. Let's assume alpha equals 0.05. That's usual for non-parametrics. So that's greater than 0.05. We do not reject. Again, not a very extreme sample. So we would say then our formal statistical conclusion or formal interpretation is that there is not sufficient evidence, so not statistically significant evidence, to conclude that eta is greater than 250. So in other words, to conclude that the median caffeine content is greater than 250. So we're going to conclude that it's 250 or less. All right, so you should be able to